Hi, today we're going to learn how to do the regression in Excel, and I just want to show you with this very simple example. So here I put my values of X, which is the hours of study, and my values of Y, which are the grades. Now, how do you remember who's X? How do you remember who's Y? Remember, X is the one that is the independent variable, and Y is the dependent variable. Very important. X is women and we're independent. So let's remember, X is the independent variable, Y is the dependent variable. So once you have your X and you have your Y, which makes sense because your grades are going to depend of your hours of study, I want to go ahead and build the regression. So you're going to click on data analysis. And then here, you're going to have a lot of options, but I want you to go to regression. They're in alphabetical order. And I click OK in regression. And then look what's going to happen. You're going to have this empty like this, and basically it's going to be like this. So first you're going to put the Y. So now here we know that the Y is going to be the grades. Now notice that I'm including grades, but I'm going to put labels, and then here I'm going to include X. And then confidence level, I always like to put 95, which is going to be, like the standard most of the time. And then the output options, what I do is that I do line fit plots. Make sure you put this, residual plots and residuals. Now, you can put it like in a new worksheet, or you can put it, in the same space. So I'm just going to make like a space right here, and I'm just going to put OK. And look at this beauty. Let's say that you see this and you're like, oh my God, too many decimals. Not a problem. You can change the output. I usually just put like a comma, and then, I go from there. You can just grab all of them and then, kind of make them a little bit easier to read. Notice that I just click here, and then, you can put as many as you can. So what does Excel give me? Well, it's going to give me the R square. Let's go ahead and make this guy yellow. You will also get the coefficients, the intercept, and the hours of study. So if you have to build the regression of the line, you will do Y equals 3.7474x plus 53.8947. Notice that it will tell you intercept, and whatever is below the intercept, that's going to be your X variables. But look at this beauty. You get your study of residual plot. And then look here, you're going to have your linear regression. So I want you to right click, and I want you to click on add trend line. Now, if you see on the bottom, you're going to see, you can actually put, if you want to put the set intercept, I'm just not going to put that. But if you want to display the equation on the chart, it does it too. And then the R square, your coefficient of correlation. So look at this. Right here, you get your data. And you have it with your graph. You can make also, the graph bigger if you want. So this is basically how you build the regression when you have two variables. I hope you enjoy the video.